What up? How's it going, friend? So right here, you're using the right theme and you want to learn how you can remove this search icon or the search bar from your Shopify right theme. In today's video, you also will be able to do this. And by the time you're done, it's going to do just like this. And your search bar is, or the search icon is no longer going to be there. Now let's go straight to the video tutorial. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to come to your online store, your backend like this, come to online store, you want to come to themes, okay, and you want to come here to the right theme, okay, which is right there, and you want to click on customize. And the moment you click on customize, you're going to be on a page just like this, the one you saw earlier, okay. And the next thing you want to do is you want to come here, okay. I'm actually going to be teaching you 3 methods, okay, that you can use for this so that you have a lot of options at your disposal, okay. And the first method I'm going to be using is the base method. So you want to click on you want to click on the straight dotted icon right there along the right line, and you want to click on edit code. So the moment you click on edit code, it's going to open your editor just like this, your theme editor for the right theme. And right there, you want to come here to this explorer. You want to click on right, okay. But even before that, okay, even before clicking on right, let's come here to this part, okay, this doc file here. And you want to come here to copy this code here that says to hide it using base, okay. This one, the second code here. And you want to come back here now. You want to click on right. You want to click on assets. You want to click on this base.css. And you want to scroll down to the last part. Okay. So you scroll down, just like that. And you can paste this code like this. Okay. And you hit on save. All right. Now, if we go back, you can see the search bar is no longer there. Okay. It's gone. All right. It's gone. Someone type it's gone in the comment section. Okay. All right. So it's gone. So this is exactly how you can use the base CSS to do this. All right. There's another method you can also use. Maybe you don't want to go to the base CSS. Some people are like that. Oh, I don't want to click on my editor. I don't know anything. I don't want to tamper with anything from scrolling. It's all good. All right. Now I'm going to teach you exactly how you can do this just from your interface alone. Everything here, we're going to use this. All right. So we don't have to go to the editor. So I'm going to go back now. Right. And I'm just going to remove this so that it shows back. So, and right there, the search icon is back. All right. Now let's go ahead and teach you the second trick. But before I even go ahead to teach you the second trick, please trust me, just possible to subscribe to the channel and encourage me to keep creating these for you guys. Try and join this family so that we can get this to 10,000 subscribers or even more, but at least that's the goal for now. So please and please help me to get this channel to that number. So thank you very much. I appreciate you. And now let's go ahead and teach you the second method. Well, what you want to do is you want to click on header here, okay, header, then header, this header, then you want to scroll down. And as you can see, there is no search icon toggle here, so you can't easily do it. So you want to come here to this custom CSS, all right, and use another easy method. And you want to come back here to this this code here, and you want to click on. You want to use this one. You want to copy this, okay, and come here back, and you want to paste that code, all right. So the moment you paste it just like this, you can see that the search bar is gone. All right. So this is exactly how you can do this using this custom CSS. All right. Now let me give you another bonus trick. So the moment you do this, just click on save and you're good to go. All right. So let me give you another trick again that you can use in case you don't want to use this custom CSS. You can also use the custom liquid. So you can come here to the header section around the header here, and you can click on hard section rather. Okay, click on hard section, click on custom liquid. Okay, then click on the custom liquid again, then come here, okay, to this file, okay, this doc file, and copy this. All right, and come back here and paste. And as you can see, the icon is gone again. All right, so this is exactly how you can remove the search icon from your right theme, okay, easily without any stress. All right, so I believe this video has been helpful. If it is, please make sure that you hit the red subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification so that you guys can be notified whenever I drop new review videos right here on this channel. And please share this video and also like it so that YouTube can recommend this. Even if you don't want to subscribe, at least like the video so that YouTube can recommend it to several other people who are looking for tutorial videos just like this. Thank you very much. I'll see you in another video. Peace and have a nice day ahead. Bye.